If you love cats and coffee, then this cat cafe and workspace is right for you. This is Cottery, located in 272 Aguirre, BF Homes, Parañaque. Open sila daily as early as 8 a.m. and closes at 11 p.m. They offer here pastries, pasta, coffee of course, and non-coffee drinks as well. Pause nyo na lang yung video to get the full menu. On the sides, you can find their trophies, other foods and treats for cats that are for sale. And here, look, they have a wall here full of cat pictures with their names in breed. It's like they're giving you the chance to really know each and every cat inside the Cottery. And here's the Cottery. As you can see, malawak yung space nila sa loob. They have their own air purifier, potty trays under the benches, and a lot of spaces where they can just sleep, mga lakyat, and maglaro. These are their Cornish Rex, C. Sylvester, North, and Sydney, which is, I believe, loving the sunlight. And mostly tulog actually yung cats nung pagpunta namin, aside from this one. Say hi to Rufus. Shift mo daw ngayon, B. Even the guys before us, siya din talaga yung parang nag-entertain dun sa mga pumupunta para kumain at that time. Dumating na yung order namin. Sa akin yung matcha strawberry, s'mores latte kay Jer, and then we also have the baked macaroni. Natin yun siya sa food. Later on, nag-start na din silang magising talaga. I was told by the owner that they can pick their cats, hence the trophies kanina.
Nilikuran ako. Ay, wow, bangga ah.
They also have a lot of cats at home pa, pero selected lang yung nandito. Yung kinukulit naman ni Rufus dito is si Snowy. Baby pa din siya na ragdoll. Ayan, si Rufus ulit. Feeling ko talaga vlog niya na to. Ito si North, nagsawa na ata sa sikat ng araw. Ayan, lumipat na siya. May option pala kayo to just enjoy watching them behind the glass while sipping your drinks and enjoying your food. Or you can also pay for the 100 entrance fee and interact with them sa loob ng Cottery. I think the payment nito is for the sanitation, and they will also provide you naman with slippers that you have to wear as you go inside. Chonky! So ano pang inaantay mo? Add mo na to sa listahan mo for your next coffee hopping.